400 ಹಾಕಿ.
400 ಸರ್?
ಹಾಂ
400 ಸರ್?
ಹಾಂ.
Okay, so we've finished with our breakfast. We're around 60 kilometers away from the fort which we are heading to.
Yeah.
The sun has come out completely now. It is very hot actually.
This place, it's called, what do you call it?
Nandi Upachar.
Yeah, Upachar, yeah, that one. Has really good food. My god, I was so happy with the food. But the only thing is lemonade costs what, 60 rupees?
Yeah, it's a bit pricey.
And buttermilk costs 60 rupees as well, which you can get for 10 rupees outside.
Okay, so we are 13 kilometers away from the fort. We've covered up to 50 kilometers in 25 to 30 minutes. This road is simply awesome. It was such a breeze riding on that.
Totally.
Sorry, Bangalore to Hyderabad highway.
So we just stopped here for that amazing backdrop. Clicked a few shots. I think it's 10 kilometers away, the fort that we headed to. I don't know which hill or which rock this is, but it was really beautiful. So we thought we'll stop and click a few photos, get amazing backdrops for our bikes. This is beautiful. Wow. Allah. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ ನೀರ ಹತ್ರ ಇಳಿಬೋದಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಈ ಥರ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಬೈಕ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗ್ಬೋದಾ ಎಂಡ್ಗೆ? ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಥರನೇ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಈ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್.
to the fort, we just stopped by this lake. It shows up as Gudibande Lake Sunset Point. It shows up as that on Google Maps. And it is, the sun is actually hidden behind the clouds and it's become quite pleasant. There's a cool breeze also going around. So it's really nice here.
This is like the best spot to come when the sun is not there.
Exactly.
Okay, so this lakeside was really beautiful. We spent a little bit of time there. Now we are heading back to join the road that takes us to the fort.